Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're tackling a concerning issue, visceral fat. This isn't just about how your clothes fit, it's about your health. Visceral fat builds up around your organs, deep inside your body. You might not see it, but it's there, increasing your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes and other serious conditions. The good news is that we can fight back. We can reduce visceral fat through a healthy lifestyle, particularly with the right diet. Let's explore a delicious and scientifically backed approach, the high polyphenol Mediterranean diet. This diet is not about deprivation, it's about enjoying delicious whole foods that nourish your body and help you thrive. Imagine a plate filled with vibrant vegetables, glistening with olive oil and bursting with flavor. The colors are so vivid, they almost seem to dance on your plate, inviting you to take a bite and savor the freshness. That's the essence of the high polyphenol Mediterranean diet. It's not just a diet, it's a way of life that celebrates the abundance of nature's bounty. This way of eating emphasizes fresh, whole foods and prioritizes healthy fats. Olive oil, nuts and seeds are staples, providing essential nutrients and a rich, satisfying flavor. This diet is a celebration of real food, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds and lean proteins like fish and poultry. Each meal is a symphony of flavors and textures, designed to nourish your body and delight your senses. It's about ditching processed foods, added sugars and unhealthy fats. Instead, you focus on ingredients that are as close to their natural state as possible, ensuring maximum nutritional value. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about losing weight, it's about gaining health. It's a holistic approach that supports your overall well-being, helping you feel your best every day. It's been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. The benefits are profound and far-reaching, impacting every aspect of your health. It's a lifestyle that promotes longevity and overall well-being. By embracing this way of eating, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. So it's not just about fitting into your genes, it's about feeling fantastic from the inside out. The high polyphenol Mediterranean diet is your ticket to a vibrant, energetic life full of joy and vitality. Let's delve into the science behind this incredible diet. A key factor in its success is the abundance of polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants are found in plant-based foods, and they're your secret weapon against visceral fat. Polyphenols act like tiny superheroes, fighting inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. Studies show that they play a crucial role in reducing visceral fat by blocking fat absorption, increasing glucose uptake in muscles, and reducing chronic inflammation. Think of them as your internal fat-fighting squad, working tirelessly to keep you healthy and trim. By embracing a diet rich in polyphenols, you're giving your body the tools it needs to combat visceral fat effectively. The gut microbiome, your secret weapon. Now let's talk about your gut microbiome, a complex ecosystem of trillions of bacteria living in your intestines. Don't worry, these bacteria are the good guys. They play a vital role in your health, including your weight. The high polyphenol Mediterranean diet is a gut microbiome superhero. It nourishes these beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive and work their magic. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and yes, even weight loss, particularly visceral fat reduction. So, when you nourish your gut, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding an army of microscopic allies fighting for your health and well-being. Hippuric acid and urolithin, the dynamic duo. Here's where things get even more exciting. Remember those beneficial gut bacteria we talked about? Well, they produce remarkable compounds called hippuric acid and urolithin A, and these compounds are game changers in the fight against visceral fat. Hippuric acid is like a metabolic maestro, helping your body regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Urolithin A is a mitochondrial marvel, improving the function of your cells' powerhouses, which is crucial for energy production and fat burning. These compounds work together to create a fat-burning symphony in your body, helping you shed that stubborn visceral fat and improve your metabolic health. Ditch the saturated fat, embrace the healthy fats. Now let's talk about fats. Fats are an essential part of our diet, but it's crucial to understand the difference between the types of fats we consume. Not all fats are created equal. Some fats are beneficial and necessary for our health, while others can be detrimental. Saturated fats found in processed foods, fatty meats and butter are the villains in our story. These fats can lead to various health issues if consumed in excess. They contribute to increased visceral fat and increase your risk of heart disease. This is why it's important to be mindful of the types of fats we include in our diet. The good news is that the high polyphenol Mediterranean diet helps you naturally limit saturated fat. This diet is rich in foods that are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your health. Instead, it emphasizes heart-healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats are known for their numerous health benefits. These good fats provide your body with essential fatty acids, reduce inflammation, and promote satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of overeating. So, ditch the villains and embrace the heroes. By making these simple changes, you can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. Your heart, your waistline, and your taste buds will thank you for it. Embrace the healthy fats and enjoy the benefits of a nutritious and balanced diet. Your delicious guide to visceral fat reduction. Ready to embark on this delicious journey toward a healthier you? The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle that emphasizes the joy of eating wholesome, flavorful foods. It's about savoring each bite and enjoying the process of preparing meals that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. Here's a glimpse into the world of foods that make the high polyphenol Mediterranean diet so effective and enjoyable. This diet is rich in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants found in a variety of plant-based foods. These antioxidants help to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and combat visceral fat. Fruits and vegetables load up on colorful allies. These vibrant foods are not only visually appealing, but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They help to keep you full and satisfied while providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and artichokes are packed with polyphenols and fiber. Berries, in particular, are known for their high antioxidant content, which can help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Artichokes are another excellent source of polyphenols and fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats over refined grains for sustained energy and gut health. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Incorporating a variety of whole grains into your diet can also provide you with essential nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. Healthy fats. Make olive oil your go-to oil and enjoy avocados, nuts, and seeds in moderation. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are also excellent sources of healthy fats which can help to reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. Lean protein. Opt for fish, poultry, and legumes as your primary protein sources. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Legumes, such as beans and lentils, are also excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help to keep you full and satisfied. These foods are your recipe for success, providing your body with the nutrients it needs to fight visceral fat, reduce inflammation, and improve your overall health. By incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet, you can enjoy a wide range of flavors and textures while nourishing your body from the inside out. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about enjoying delicious, whole foods that nourish your body from the inside out. The Mediterranean diet encourages you to eat mindfully and savor each bite, making mealtime a pleasurable and satisfying experience. So embrace the high polyphenol Mediterranean diet and experience the transformative power of food as medicine. By making these simple yet impactful changes to your diet, you can take control of your health and well-being, one delicious meal at a time. The journey to reducing visceral fat and improving your overall health doesn't have to be a chore. With the Mediterranean diet, you can enjoy a variety of delicious, nutrient-dense foods that support your health goals and make you feel great. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your feedback or questions, and let's dive into more exciting content together.